Hello everyone. Last class we have discussed about the pair of a linear equation into variable. In this session, we will discuss some next level of the problem related to the pair of a linear equation into variable. So in this session, we will discuss how to find out the value of suppose four variable is given means how to find out the four variable. Example x, y, z, u. So here given the problem. So here Ram, Shyam, Tarun and Varun together had a total amount rupees 240. So four members are given, that is Ram, Shyam, Tarun and Varun together had a total amount is 240 rupees. So with them, next one sentence, Ram had half of the total amount with the others. First one condition is given, Ram had the amount, half of the amount with the others. This is the first condition. So next one condition is given, Shyam had 1/3 of the total amount with the others. So first one, Ram had half of the amount with the others and Shyam had 1/3 of the total amount of the others. So Shyam had the 1/3 of amount with the others. Ram has 1/2 or half of the amount with the others and Tarun had 1/4. Tarun had 1/4 amount of the with others. So, but next one you have to find the amount with the Varun. So, what is the total amount with Varun? So, first you have to consider here, according to the situation, first you have to consideration. So, you don't know how much amount Shyam had, Ram had, and Tarun and Varun had. So, let us consider here. Let R, S, T, and V. R, S, T and V. These are the name Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun. Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun. Let R, S, T and V are the amount with Ram, Shyam, Tarun and Varun respectively. For example, I consider here R, S, T and V. R, S, T and V are the amount with Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun respectively. So I consider here alphabetically wise because you don't get the confusion. R means the total amount with the Ram. S means the total amount had with the Shyam. T means Tarun had the total amount. And V is the amount with the Varun. So this is the consideration. Suppose you know how to solve the problem, means you can solve it, and at the end of the session you will verify the answers, your answer with my answer. So let us see how to find out. First one condition is given, Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun together had the total amount is rupees 240. So first one condition, according to the first condition, can write here. According to the first condition, AC not variable we can consider according to the first condition or according to the first situation. Here given Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun together had the total amount is 240. So that's why I will take Ram, Shyam, Tarun and Varun. Total amount is 240. Ram, Shyam, Tarun, Varun had total amount is 240. So this is what is equation number 1 or first one condition. Next one, according to the second condition. Second condition is, according to the second condition, Ram had half of the total amount with the others. So Ram had means R equal to Ram had half means 1/2. Half means multiplication. So Ram had 1/2 or half of the total amount with the others. Remaining others. So you have to don't consider the Ram here. Remaining others S, T, V. Shyam, Tarun, Varun. So that is Shyam, Tarun, Varun. So Ram had the total amount equal to half of the remaining others. So this is half of this multiplication. Others, who are the others remaining? Shyam, Tarun, Varun. Now we have to simplify, means here nothing means 1. Cross multiplication means we get 2r equal to s plus t plus v. So this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So similarly, you have to find according to the third condition. According to the third condition is given here. Shyam had 1/3 of the total amount with the others. So Shyam had means I will take here Shyam had means equal to how much? 1/3 of remaining others. So here Shyam, you have to consider Shyam had the total amount is equal to 1/3 of the remaining others. Who are the remaining? R, T, E, V. So Ram, Tarun plus Varun. So Shyam had the 1/3 of remaining of the other amount, that is Ram, Tarun and Varun. Next you have to simplify, means we will get cross multiplication means 3s equal to R plus T plus V. This is equation number 3. Next, according to the fourth condition is given here. So Tarun had 1/4 of the amount with the others. Tarun means you can take here T equal to Tarun had the 1/4 of amount remaining of the others. So 1/4 of multiplication remaining others, that is Ram, Shyam plus Varun. Next you have to simplify, means we will get 4t. Can write capital T. 4t. Sorry. This is the 4t equal to R plus S plus V. This one is equation number 4. So now the question is how to find out the variable of R value, S value, T value, V value. So here given sum of these two equal to 240, first one condition. 2r equal to s plus t plus v. This is the second one condition. 3s equal to r plus t plus v. This is the third one condition. 40 equal to r plus s plus v. This is the fourth condition. So last class we had discussed how to find out the value of x and y, that is pair of linear equation in two variable. And before that class also we discussed about how to find out the value of x plus x, y, z, three variable. So in this session we will discuss how to find out the value of four variable, that is r value, s value, t value and v value. So first you have to find out the value here given or here asked. So what is the total amount with Varun had? This type of questions will come in competitive exam. So it's very important. So this is the first condition, this is second, that is third and fourth. Now next step is you have to compare. Next step you have to compare with comparing the equation. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2. You have to compare the equation 1 and 2 means you will get first one condition is r plus s plus t plus v equal to 240. This is the first condition. Second one condition is s plus t plus v. So this is the s plus t plus v. Same s plus t plus v as it is I wrote here, s plus t plus v. So this is 2r. 2r, suppose you have to transform from LHS to RHS. So the symbol of 2r is right there, it will change it. So here plus means it become minus. So we can write this is minus 2r, here plus. For example, I will write here s plus t plus v. Plus 2r means it become minus 2r equal to 0. This condition only I wrote here. This is a minus 2r. First one is minus 2r plus s plus t plus v equal to here nothing is 0. Now we can subtract or add. So here 2r and this is r. So here no problem. But you have to cancel or you have to eliminate the term of VTS means you have to change the sign. So here minus means plus. This is plus means it become minus. This is minus minus. Next here also you can write the minus. So 0 has minus or plus symbol. So 0 has no symbol. It may be equal. Minus means also equal 0 only. Plus means also it will give the value 0. 0 means 0 has no value. But in counting the amount, 0 has a lot of amount, lot of value. Sorry. For example, this is 100. Just you have to add to the 100 with 1 0 means it becomes 1000. So 0 has most value other than the other numbers. But in this situation, 0 has no value. Next one is, see here this is the plus b minus b get cancelled. Next plus t minus t get cancelled. Next plus s minus s get cancelled. So here plus 2r, this is r. How much? 3r equal to 240. Next r equal to 240 into means will become divide. R equal to 3 1s are 3 8s. So R value is 80. Next, similarly I can compare. Now comparing equation 1 and here 2 means you can take here 3. Now you have to compare the equation 1 and 3 means we'll get equation 1 is, I will write here, equation 1 is, this is equation 1, r plus s plus t plus v equal to 240. This is the first one equation. Third one equation is, this is r plus t plus v. Here I have to write here r plus t means you have to write t downside, you have to write the t only because it is easy to cancel it or eliminate the term. Similar term you have to write below only. Next this is r plus t. Next one is plus v. But this is plus 3s means it will become minus 3s. I will write here this is r plus t plus v plus 3s means it will become minus 3s. Here nothing means value is 0. So that minus 3s you can write here. This is minus 3s. Here nothing means plus. So equal to nothing means you can write here 0. This solution or this equation you have to write as it is here. Now comparing the equation 1 and 3. So 1 is r plus s plus t plus v equal to 240. This is the first one condition. Now we can compare the equation 1 and third. So 1 is right as it is r plus s plus t plus v equal to 240. Third one the equation is r plus t plus v plus 3s means it will become minus 3s. So a similar term you have to write the below only. This is r, this one r. Yes, here minus 3s you can write here t, that is also plus t, v by v or v equal to here nothing is 0. Next one step is you have to eliminate the v term, t term and r term means you have to change the sign. So here sign plus means you can write here minus, this is plus. So here plus means you can write minus, here minus. So plus v minus v get cancelled, plus t minus t get cancelled, plus r minus r get cancelled. 3s plus 1s, that is 4s equal to 240. Next step, s equal to 240 into means divide by 4. So s equal to 4 1 is 4 6. S value is 60. So next one step, now comparing, I will write here, now comparing equation 1 and 4. This is 4. Now we have to compare the equation 1 and 4. First one we have to compare the equation 1 and 2 means we got the value of r. Second one is, now we have to compare the equation 1 and 3 means we got the value of s. Next, now we can compare the 1 and 4. 1 is r plus s plus t plus v equal to 240. Fourth one equation is here. We can write this r plus s plus v plus 40 means it become minus 40. Here nothing means 0. This is the fourth one equation. Now r means you have to write the r below r only. Next one plus r plus s plus b is here. This is plus b. Next t, which is t, that is minus 4. Here nothing is 0. Next one can eliminate the term here r s b. Remaining term is that is t. We will get the t value. So just you have to change the sign. That is minus minus. Here minus is plus. This is minus. So minus r plus r get cancelled. Plus s minus s get cancelled. Plus b minus b get cancelled. 40 plus 1t, that is 5t. 240 plus 0, 240. Next step is t equal to 240 divided by into 5 is divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 4s are 20. Remaining is 40. 5, 8s are 40. So t value is 40. Means Tarun had the total amount is 48 rupees and Shyam had the total amount is 60 rupees and Ram has the total amount is 80 rupees. Now we can find out Varun had total amount is how much. So just have to substitute t value, s value and r value in equation number 1 means we get the value of our total amount of Varun. So now you can put v equal to how much, or you can write t equal to 48, s equal to 60 and r equal to 80. R equal to 80 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is r plus s plus t plus v equal to 40. Just have to substitute r value is how much? 80 rupees. Shyam had the total rupees 60 and Tarun had 48. Varun, you don't know, keep as it is, equal to 240. So total is 80 plus 60. 80 plus 60 is 140. Total 140 plus 48. Or you can write here v equal to 240 minus 80 minus 60 minus 48. Minus 48 only here. This is. Next you have to simplify means we will get 240. These all are minus. Just have to add. So 140 plus 40. Total is this one 5 ones are 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. Correct, that is correct. So next you have to simplify. We will get v equal to 240. Next one is this is total means we will get minus 188. So v equal to 240 188 minus means we can take carry here. How much is 2? Next one is 3. 3 means we can take carry here. 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 52. So Varun had 52 rupees. So next class we will discuss about how to find out the 4 variable